Hey guys, we are going to be working with Walt on his impulse control, and we're going to use breakfast time to accomplish this. So, real life situation here, we are doing breakfast time and using my dogs as a distraction, and we've got kids running around and getting ready for the day, so there you go. Here we go. Good boy. Yes, good. Good boy. Good. Yes. Good. Good boy, Chico. Good boy, Walt. Good boy. No. No. Yes, good. Yes. Over here. No. Right there. Right there. And it place. So not rewarding Walt when he gets off and get back on. Okay, he only gets rewarded while he stays on and makes the decision to stay on. Okay. He knows place. He knows to stay on his spot. He just doesn't know it very well with distractions. So that's why we're working with him today. Good boy. Good. Thank you. Yes. Good job, buddy. Good. Right here. Oh, yes. Good boy. And place. Good. So because he stayed that whole time, I'm going to give him a nice big payload, big handful, okay? Good boy, Chico. Good job, buddy. Bandit, good boy. Good job. You stayed again while I paid the other dogs. That was good. Good. Food on the floor is not available. Okay? Walt, come. Oh, good boy. Yes. I want him to leave that bowl alone. That bowl on the counter is not his. I can take food out of the bowl and give it to him, but while it's up on the counter, that is not his. Okay? Yes. Yes. Good boy. Place. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, good. Good boy, Bandit. Chico, come. Okay, there was a valuable lesson for Walt. You noticed he came off, I corrected him with the e-collar, and he went right back to place. That's exactly what I want. Nope. Good. Good. That one I wasn't as firm about it. Little bit more fair because he's confused. He thinks that I'm on the ground, he needs to come and seek comfort. I don't need him to come and seek comfort, he just needs to stay put. So that one, I was a little bit nicer to him. I'm not as abrupt. I'm just like, nope, let me show you, let me guide you, go back to your place. Where the time before, I wasn't worried about it, okay? Good boy. Good. That's right. Keep your sessions short when you're doing these type of exercises. It does wear on the dogs a lot. So, and you can tell he's already tired, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them back to their crates, and each of them will get a handful of food, and we'll probably do this session again, probably this afternoon. So, good luck, and thanks for watching. Bye. Bandit, come. Nope. 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 Nice. Yes. Good. Bandit, come. Good boy. Give this to Bandit. Chico. Good boy, Walt. Good, I can pay Walt for that. Good job, buddy. And pay Chico. Save this for later. Good boy, Walt.